Alright, good morning, and today is August 30, 2023. It's a Wednesday, the third trading day of this week, and we have a high impact news released today with the GDP number at 8:30 Eastern Time. And let's take a look at this. So it says that the actual is 2.1, the consensus 2.4, so it's lower than the expectation. And let's see how the markets react to that news. Alright, look at the microscope view, which is 1 minute time frame right here. You see at 8:30 it moved up right there. So let's see if this is a order block for it to go down or not. Alright, the bell tick ran, and let's see. So to see if this order block for it to go down. And you see this the London high right here, and it just retest the London high right there. It look like a buy side liquidity rate right there. Not really a let's see. Very interesting to see how it moves. Let's see if it take this buy side liquidity or it fell to swing high. Wow, it take it. Wow, let's see. I want to take a look in the smart money diversion. See any diversion that we are seeing. So basically we see that it just rate the buy side liquidity and then it's reject right away, so it can give a bearish signal right there. So because the rally up yesterday, so we have a huge buy side liquidity out there, so it will likely go and retest. I mean it go to the unbalance or inefficiency right there. But let's see, we don't want to short when it continues to rise, right? We don't want to short when it's not from the top yet. So what is the long setup right here? If we want to short, then we'll question ourselves, what's the long setup right here? Wow. Okay, let's see how. So I think there's some news say that the interest will be start going down in 2024. So that may be the reason people the market is bet on that. Or the move right here, the setup right here is just for what? It's just for the liquidity rate right there, and then it will go down. So remember, today is Wednesday, so our question gonna ask is that Wednesday is the high of the week. The high of the week already create, so it has the high of the week. So let's see how much we reach right here if we want to go short. 36 cents. Want to do that? Do it. Go and reach 36 cents. No, I want to sell them, right? And stop loss is just right above there. Ooh, ooh. Yeah, I don't see the reason we short at all. We would love to, but what the reason? Because we have a buy side clear rate right there. Wow, we see came down very fast. It just retest that one. So you can treat this as an order block right here. So right here, if we see this breakdown, we go and short them. So let's say we get the trade in right here. I really want to go in this, take a short right here, but I kind of reluctant because I don't see any, setup up here. Oh, it can be. Yeah, on 4 minutes you can see that because that's the bearish breaker, or it's a auto block. Yeah, auto block is a auto block retest on a 4-hour time frame. It's this level right here. I mean, we can short what the long setup. Auto block, fair gap, retest, that's our long setup right here. But now we have a source of auto block, fair gap right here, and just the retest right there. So if we want to go short, then we have a setup to go short right here, right on a low time frame. You see the auto block, huge fair gap is the retest. Want to go short, then go here. Want to give it a try, sell short. Wow, wow, wow. Sell it. it retests its order block right there. Huge. Shall it? Give a try. Order block, retest. So now why we feel a little bit because we want to trade on Thursday or Friday. So today is Wednesday, even though it's a good trade for play here, but we're not taking. We need to control our fear of missing out. But if not today, then I would love to go check right here. See the retest right there. Let's check straight shot right now. No, I think we go in this candle. We have a setup now, right? Before, right here, we don't have a setup. We would love to go right here, but we don't have a setup. Now we have setup going there. Right? The setup is what? The setup is the order block. Level up, retest, and it's a short setup. All right, what do we have right here? We did have the buy side liquidity overrated, that the condition for to take a short, and then we have a sell side liquidity go a trap, right? You see that sell side liquidity trap? What perfect. And we entry time 09:39, right? And the target is huge. We can go at the target on the high time frame is about 446.78. 446.78 is the high time frame for bullish breaker, right? Yep, we'll go in right here, and we have the buy side liquidity were rated right here, and we have a sell side liquidity were sell side liquidity were trapped right there. Okay, let's see how it's play out. Wow, come on, it gives the second. Look at that, it gives you another to go short them. So we just took a practice trade, okay? We only want to trade on Thursday and Wednesday, Thursday and Friday only. So this is a practice trade. We check is order block, fair value up, we test, and a short we put into our So give it a second entry right here if you want to scale in. Remember, if we go in right here, we reach only around 32 cents. And we have a huge potential down right here. The buy side liquidity, I mean. Wow, if you see that, it could take the buy side liquidity right there. Let's see. With potential, we have about $2 down move. So let's see. Wow. So if we are, we are take practice right now, we feel uncomfortable right now if we go into again our what is the long setup right here? You have auto block, you have fair value gap and retest, so that's the long setup right there. So let's see, let it get this liquidity, grab the buy side liquidity one more time. Let's see, then for sure look at 1 hour time frame, we see anything? I mean 4 hour time frame, we see bullets, but just hanging at the top right there. So we have the buy side liquidity at this level, and it take that buy side. But also right here you have a long setup. Right, you have right here the bullish breaker, and then it's a retest. So we have a long setup layout also. Wow. So we learn our lesson right here. We short right here 39. We got stop out. You see, we got stop out right there. So we go in too early. Let the long still play out. But now at least we have a one more. We have a buy side liquidity we're taken. Yep. So a short setup right here is narcissist. It provides a lesson to run right there. So always wait for the setup, right? And also we have a long setup right here. It needs to play out, and it did play out. It did take the buy side liquidity for this long setup. and you see that it did touch this right here, order block right there. That's critical on high time frame. It did touch that, and now let's see how it behaves. If we start going down, yeah, take another buy side right there. So if we want to engage short, then we can engage short right there, because on the 4-hour time frame we have the setup. But right here, I see the jump, the gap right here. You see the gap right here, the gap right there. So for the short right here, to put right here, I think we got stop out at 10:48. No, stop loss hits 9:48. Right, we got stop out. Yeah, 9:48. Let's take a screenshot of this because we take a practice trade and our stop loss we hit at 9:48 right there. Here is the 1 hour time frame. Right, we see right here the retracement, and then it's resume the trend going up. So we don't see any reason to go short. Yeah, let's see how it's play out. Because on 4 hour time frame, the short setup still valid. Let's see how it's play out. You see, this is a bearish order block right there, and then from there it's going down, boom, boom, down, down, and now it's retest that order block right there. So this level is very key important right there. If we go half through of this, then it can give us some idea what the high of this candle. 51.14. 51.14, okay. 51.14 or high 51.70. Yeah, let's see. That's the next buy sell liquidity that it may seek, it may draw on. So buy sell liquidity X4 4-hour time frame. Right now it's 51. Okay, it's still going up. Let's see. 51.70, that's the one. Let's see if it make to that far. And look at this order block. Just look at this order block, at the huge order block right here. If we want to go short, then look at this order block. Let's see what gonna happen. If it move away from that order block, you see any we see a diversion now. I think we can see wow, it will go up more. Why you resistant? What is this? Why don't we go long? We try to resist the trend right there. Right. Go with the least resistant path. Right. Go with the least resistant path. That's the thing that we need to burn in our brain. Don't go with the high resistance. Go with the least or the low resistance path. Right here, it would take more sense if it take the buy side liquidity and then go take the down, the sell side right here, but it did not. It did not. So it's very, very strange. That means a lot of sell side liquidity right here. Lots of sell side liquidity were trapped right there. No, actually on the daily, we think that it could continue to go up. I think we did the review as yesterday on the, excuse me. Yeah, let's look at that. Now we've completely forgot what we did yesterday on the review. That's amazing. That how our brand is working. We need to make it so August 30. Okay, let's look at the 1 hour time frame. I'm sorry, the daily time frame. You see that from yesterday we say that there are a big, unbalance right here. It's gonna go and tap into that liquidity right there. So that exactly it moving up there. It moved very quick, very fast because it saw a huge liquidity. That's the algo gonna run up there. So it's gonna run there and then boom, going down. Right. It's a huge gap right there. So on the 1 daily time frame, we think that it's gonna keep going up to tapping. So in the 1 minute time frame, go short is not a good idea. However, if you want to go for a quick scarf, quick trade scarfing trade, then wait for a very good setup. Otherwise you trade again the trend. But it needs to be more before going down. On on 4 hour time frame, we have this level. We need to be reached right there. Around 51.70 right there. 51.70. That's the buy side liquidity. So far it's at only 51 for 51.50, so it's about 20 cents away from the private swing high, upper swing low right there. In this case, swing high. Alright, so we are in the 36th of the trading day. It's a Wednesday. So the question for us is the low of the week is on Tuesday already put in? That will be the low of the week. Or Wednesday, it make the high of the week right there. Let's see. We're going to short here. We have to set up auto block right here, failed up, and that's just a retest. Undo that. Yeah, let's short right here. We have a setup. We have an auto block, failed up, and just a retest. Right, it's very simple. Of course, if we have a buy sell key were taken and sell sell key were trapped, right? Auto block, just keep it simple, valid up. Retest, a short setup, and do we have a buy sell key were rated? Yes, it's a lot, very a lot. Do you have a sell key ready trap? Yes, a lot. Okay, and entry, perfect entry time around 10 minutes after an hour. Yeah, the targets for is just right here. It's just the previous swing. The target is the stop loss is 10 cents above this one. So prior swing low, so at least we around, right, at least is around 450.21. Our stop loss is 4541. We put another 5 cents up there, above there, so we good. Let's see. Yeah. Okay. Now our target is the level right here. At least 55, right? This level. Yeah, this level right here. At least right here. And then our stop loss just above 5 cents right there. Yep. I think we are in a good right. You see right there, fabric up. It's just a retest. let's see. We still in the trade right now. We don't put a stop loss, right? So there's no reason for it to panic at all. See, no reason. $0.05. Our stop loss 5 cents above here. And we go in at 08. In 08, yeah, in 08. $10. So how much we reach right here? Let's say right here we reach 10 cents, 55. Come on, we only reached about 18 cents, right? But we have a huge down run right here. At least we go down here first. All right. Wow, exactly 55. We got stop out, my friend. So we reach right here. It's a good risk reward. So there's nothing wrong with that trade at all. So you reach 20 cents, you get 88 cents. So 1 to 4 risk reward. It's a good risk. So that means it's break out this order block. Right. So we journal that there's another lost trade first, and we lost 20 cents. So we take 2 practice trade, okay? I think we take 2 practice trade. They are short and we take it out. Someone really going and absorb all the big, lift the big up, that's the way go up. So the price go up because of more people want to buy. Okay, we see this is a manipulation move, right? It can be go up. You see this move right here, the swing high and swing low. How come this one is trapped the sell side liquidity right here and wrapped up by sell liquidity? See that? So that right here it trapped the buy side liquidity, right? And it also dropped the buy side, and now it take the buy side, then it gonna really take a sell side right there. I think for sure it's gonna take this sell side liquidity right there. Be right back. Wow, exactly. You see that? It take the sell side liquidity right there. It trap all this sell side, and then now it take it. It rate it. You see it right there. Right here, it trap the buy side, and then boom, it take the buy side out, and now it take the sell side out. So let's see how it move from here. We do see the order block right here. I wanted a retest right here. I wanted to go up and retest right here so we can take a short position right there. Would be perfect. Or we can treat this order block right here. We can put the order right here along it leaving this order block. We can go in because you see this manipulation just right here, this swing right here, swing high and swing low. So it make a higher low. That means it tells you the market structure starts shipping right there. A lower high and then boom, go check the buy side liquidity and then boom, going down. See that? Yep. Because right here it try to trap the buy side liquidity. So if you go here and you short them, you put a lot of buy side liquidity and then boom, it go up, it grab it and then it go down. You see that? Man, it don't even give it the opportunity to go in here. So our opportunity is go here when it take the buy side liquidity, and then you treat this as the order block, and as long as it leave that order block, you can short them. You don't have to wait for the retest because you see the manipulation right here. You see the buy side liquidity trap, then you get enter right there. Wow, look at that. Okay, let me turn off the fair value gap just right here so we have a better look at the order block. Where is the purple? Wow, I think we see something right here that we haven't get a clue right here. You see the clue? Let's remove this for now. See the clue right here? It make a lower high, which is trapped by sell liquidity. So people go in short right here, right? And also it trap sell liquidity. So when it go up, it check the buy sell liquidity, then boom, it go down. So we have to spot enough to see this is an order block right there. And as soon as it leaves this order block, we go in. As soon as we see that, we put an order right away and we stop loss at about 5 cents right there. So this setup is not about, we don't have a retest. Maybe the retest in a 4-hour time frame or 1 hour time frame. Okay, let do it later. Let right now take this screenshot real quick so we can put it in our database. We know we don't know what the name will come up with this trade. We know that the manipulation right here. So what do you call that? Yeah, you can call this a failure test, or some people call failure test, or turtle sub right there, right? Turtle sub in the sense that boom, it's, you know, it take the buy side liquidity, and we thought that gonna continue to go up, but it's not. It's just a last move before it's going down. And before that, you have to look to see the sell side liquidity were trapped, and both buy side liquidity were trapped also. So I think some people call it swing, failure swing, right? Failure swing. Is it failure swing? No, I think it's some people call it failure test, or we can what, codify or solidify the name of setup later. Okay, let's take things up for now. It's for our learning purpose. So it's a failure test, or it's a turtle sub right there. Let's do more research and to solidify the name, but we see the condition. So we see that is the buy side liquidity trap, which is the what? A lower high, right? So you can see that the market structure shift right there, low high. And then you do have a sell side liquidity with trap also. Which is, you know, high or low. Okay. Then the last move is a manipulation move right there. Move up, take the buy side liquidity. Then you have a buy side liquidity taken or rated, which is the short setup. And of course we have a sell side liquidity trap, and this is condition to also short right there. However, in this case, we don't have the order block photograph retest set up for us, but we have to smart enough to see that we will do have so-called we will enter, right, entry on the leaving, you know, right here it leaving this order block, we're going to enter, and the stop loss above the 5% above order block. When it's leaving the bearish order block, which is also the one that, you know, rated the buy side liquidity. Okay, the one that rated the buy side liquidity, and the stop loss is just 0.5 cents above the bearish order block. So it's very detailed for it right there, and I think you see the target, it should be around the buy side liquidity target, you know, the very conservative one. You're gonna have a prior swing high, which is also called a bullish, breaker, or have another name for us. It's a so-called support level, right? Yes, so we have a very detailed right here for our setup. We're going to solidify the name for now, but we see this phenomenal and we need to put into our database. So sell-side liquidity track right here, and then we have buy-side liquidity also track. You see that? And then the last move is just take the buy-side liquidity and then boom, going down. Whoa! Look at that, man! Beautiful. Boom, man. Oh man, look at that setup. Wow, you if you recall, we tried to sort twice. One right here, I think one around here, and one is right here. Auto block, right? You see right auto block right there, and we test, we take it out, and then that's where the frustrating for an inexperienced, trader come from. You have to be patient enough to see. And look, if you lost, you try twice, then don't feel discouraged when it show up in here. Wow, it's the thank you market. Thank you market. I love you market. Market provide us a huge lesson today right there. Wow, that's a beautiful lesson. Look at that lesson. Where you get that from? Only from the market. And the market provide you a huge opportunity right here. Even though you tried twice, you failed, but if the third time it show up exactly what you want, then take it. No hesitation. Don't let the first two loss impact your psychology. Wow. Beautiful, man. Haven't seen that. It happened in real time, my friend. That's where we get into. That's where we're gonna get at. We're gonna analyze every move, putting out a bay, putting our mind, our train, our eye to see. When we see it, we will never see it. And we choose the entry at 10:15. Man, look at the giant move, my friend. Okay, so let's say we're going just half of this candle for conservatively. We can go on going at high right here, but just let's say we're going at this level. And you see how much we got. $2.62. Wow. And how much we risk? We risk just 5 cents above. 5 cents above this level, right? Above 62, 67, right there. Come on, we only reached 27 cents. Thinking about that, are you gonna take that trade? 27 cents. It's almost 1 to 10, but that's 1 to 9 risk to reward ratio for now. I think, let's say we reach, I don't know, we reach for this one, we reach about 30 cents, something like that, right? That means we lost 20 cents. So far right here, right, for today, for the first two tries we lost it. We lost 30 cents and 50 cents. I mean 20 cents, so a total 50 cents. But now for this trade we get back about $2.62. So we still make profit $2 right there. Come on. And you see the giant moved down right there because it built up so much sell-side liquidity right there. So boom, it go down, wrap all the sell-side liquidity. Man, that's the huge right there. And remember, this area is still a so-called supply. This area on a high time frame, on 4-hour time frame right there, is still a supply or resistance area. So it's very good setup in here to short them. Right. So it made just a retracement before it keep going up, but you know, even though it's a retracement, but it gives us a good run right there. We don't need to hold on. Right. We don't need to hold on. We don't need to hold it very long. So basically it go down and it take the sell side very here, but it's still above the London low. So let's see how it's gonna play out from here. Basically it take the sell side liquidity from this guy. Yep. So this whole move is the move reacts to the GDP data release. So that's the move, the range. So now it's check that buy sell liquidity and it's bow back. Let's see. But anyway, I think it's time's up. Let's do a 5-minute. Take a look at 5 minutes, see the DR, how it play out, and then we wrap up this section, this analysis. Okay, so for the DR, we have the high, DR low, DR high, and this implied DR, and this is the mixed range for DR. Right, DR model by master or master. And you see that it's maybe this called rejection, so maybe this is the high of the day and it's gonna be coming down from here. Remember, this move is from the GDP data release. So check the buy side and now come down, check the sell side. Let's see if rebound from here or it continue to go down. All right, good enough for now. Bye, talk to you later. Thank you.